doctor is late.
Yes. He promised to be here at 9 and it's noon already.
Sit down. You look as if you had a turban on. A stranger that was in the kitchen yesterday asked to what nationality you belong. Your wound is almost healed. You won't be up to these silly tricks again, will you, when I'm gone?
No, Mother. I did it in a moment of insane despair, and I had lost all control over myself. It will never happen again. Your touch is golden. I remember when you were still acting at the stage theater, long ago, when I was still a little chap. There was a fight one day on our court, and a poor washerwoman was beaten almost to death. She was picked up unconscious, and you nursed her till she was well, and bathed her 2 children with the washtubs. Have you forgotten it?
Yes, entirely.
2 ballet dancers lived in the same house. They used to come and drink coffee with you.
I remember that.
They were very pious. I love you again. These last few days, as tenderly and trustingly as I did as a child. You're everything that I have left. Why? Why do you let yourself be controlled by that man?
You don't understand him, Constantine. He has a wonderfully noble personality.
And nevertheless, when he has been told that I wanted to challenge him to a duel, his nobility did not prevent him from playing the coward. He's about to beat an ignominious retreat.
What nonsense. I have asked him myself to go.
A noble personality indeed. Here we are almost quarreling over him, and he's probably out in the garden, laughing at us at this very moment. Or else enlightening Nina's mind into thinking him a man of genius.
You enjoy saying unpleasant things to me. I have the greatest respect for that man. And I must ask you not to speak ill of him in my presence.
I have no respect for him at all. You want me to believe him a man of genius, as you do. But I refuse to lie. His books make me genius. Sick.
You envy him. There is nothing left for people with no talent and mighty pretentious, but to criticize those who are really gifted. I hope you enjoy the consolation it brings.
Really gifted indeed. I am cleverer than any of you if it comes to that. You are the slaves of convention. You have seized the upper hand and now lay down as law everything that you did. Everything else you strangle and trample on. I refuse to accept your point of view. Yours and his, I refuse.
That is the talk of a decadent.
Go back to your beloved stage and let the miserable ditchwater place you so much admire.
I have never acted in that kind of place in my life. You couldn't write even the trashiest musical farce. You idle good for nothing.
Miser.
Ragbag! You mustn't cry. You please don't cry. You really mustn't. Oh, my darling child. Forgive me. Forgive your wicked mother.
If you could only know what it is to have lost everything under heaven. She does not love me anymore. I shouldn't be able to write. Every hope has deserted me.
Don't despair. This will all pass. He's going away tomorrow, and she will love you once more. Don't cry. We have made peace again.
Yes, Mother.
Make peace with him too. Don't fight with him. You surely won't fight?
No, Mother. But you must not insist on me seeing him again. I couldn't stand it. Here he comes. I must go now. The doctor will attend to my head.